Hello, my friends. I'm teaching classes of sewing for the people that like to sew or who like to sew. I'm making a jacket, a jean jacket, and I'm gonna show you how to make this seam. It's called a French seam. It's the one that they use for the jeans, but they in the factories when they make it in a special machine. It's a machine it's like an arm. It's called a double locking machine, and in the bottom of the needle has like a folder that fold the under layer of the seam, and it looks like that. You can see that stitch on your pants. So I'm gonna teach you how they do it in a single machine. So in this piece I just left like quarter-inch extra on the seam. The seam's supposed to be a half-inch, but I left it a quarter-inch extra because it's the part that I'm gonna fold under. So in this one, the one that it goes on top, I left the regular stitch. So the stitch is gonna be half-inch over here, and then when we have finished the stitch, we're gonna fold this, we're gonna iron this, we're gonna fold, and then we're gonna turn over this. Okay, so just wait for me. I'm gonna go to the machine and sew this part so I can teach you the next part. Okay, here I'm back again. I just did the seam, as you can see. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna iron this over. I'm gonna iron all these seams along the edge of the stitch that we did. I'm letting my iron to get hot so I can press it. So I'm gonna do this like this. The iron that I have is one of the best irons in the world. It's called Rowenta. You wanna buy an iron that is good, buy this brand. It has a good steam, it presses very good. It's a great iron. It has a spray and it has a steam at the same time, and it has different levels for iron. Okay, now we're gonna turn this over. So this is gonna be hide when we sew it. So make sure that this is under. Now you see what I'm doing. I'm doing a jean jacket. It's the traditional jean jacket, but it's gonna have some modifications. I just modified the pattern. The pattern is gonna be different. The pocket is gonna be different. The jocks are gonna be different. You're gonna see it's a new design made out of the traditional jean jacket. So when I'm finished, you're gonna see the jacket. I'm making this jacket for myself. Okay, now I just already pressed this. I'm gonna turn it over to make sure that it's, oh, you see, always have to check your work before taking it to the machine. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the double stitch on the machine. Okay, now it's press, you see? So I'm gonna go to the machine and do the double stitch. Here I am on my machine. Oh, as you can see, I just moved my mount with my phone. I'm filming this with the phone, but I'm using a mount that I bought on Amazon. The name of the mount is called Archon mounts. It's a piece that you can use for to film videos, and you can position this mount in different ways, so you can move it around. They have never tried with sewing. It's the first time that I'm trying with sewing. Most of the videos that they post is for bakery, jewelry, when they make art crafts, jewelry, and all that kind of stuff. But they never have tried with that. Okay, let's continue with our video about sewing with JCM Haute Couture. So I'm gonna do the double stitch now. So you have to follow this along the edge. The foot has to be follow the edge of the seam. So do it slowly, don't rush, so you can have a very even stitch. So this stitch that my foot is following the edge of the seam, like I'm doing here. Okay. So now we're gonna do the second stitch, but now you're gonna follow this stitch along with the outer edge of the foot, so you can have a very nice double even stitch. So let's start it. See, do it slow. Now you can see the double stitch. Double stitch, very even. And this is the stitch that you see on the pants and in the jackets. But in the factories, as I told you, it's made with a very special machine that is called the double locking stitch. Okay, my friends, thank you for watching, and I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you have learned. Just put in practice what you learn, and I hope that you have a happy sewing. See you in the next video.